Hey guys, on our last video, we showed y'all that we were gonna mix it, but it was time for dinner, and we just got back, so we mixed it, and look what happened.
We didn't mix it at all. We barely even mixed it.
And then we came back,
yeah,
and it was already mixed. And no one else was inside, so jiggle. This is the end result. Let me show y'all. Put yours right there. So here's mine, and here's M's, which I'm assuming, yeah, you already know. So yeah, so that is the end result. And if you want to buy this, like the slime,
it's $10.
like for the whole entire package.
Yeah.
And there's like 12, and it's only $10.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I don't know where you can buy it. That's a her question because I wasn't with her. So
I forgot what it was called, but just remember, try and find a store that has these kind of bottles.
So they look like this. I think we've already showed y'all. So
yeah, you don't have to have the same thing as long as it's like slime.
It's like water slime, I guess.
Yeah, it's like cool. It's slime that you can break up. It's easy to break up. You have 2 pieces. Drop.
Yeah.
They can just mix it
that
up.
was 3. Because you have.
I only dropped 2.
Oh yeah. Oh. Jiggle.
Jiggle.
Yeah, it's literally so much fun. Yeah.
Sorry about that. I just had something.
Get her. Bella, down.
We're gonna have, dude.
It's literally just a dog, bruh. It's okay. Sorry, the dog it was on that chair and it's not supposed to.
Well, the dog was on the table.
Yeah. And they're not supposed to be on the table. So I had to tell her to get off. And she's still not off.
We're sorry about that. It's just dogs.
Yeah, we have 3.
But we're cousins.
Yeah, we're cousins.
Yeah. We're having sleepover tonight. So we're going to stay in there up until like 9 or something.
Yeah. Well, we gotta go. So we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Bye.